Web design in 3 minutes. Debunking 3 common myths. Web design is all about making things look pretty, and designers have to reinvent the wheel to be considered good designers. These are just a couple of the many myths surrounding UI, UX web design. In reality, web design involves much more than just aesthetics, and sometimes following design conventions and copying designs can benefit your users. Hi, it's Jake from UI Rocket, and welcome to Web Design in 3 minutes, where we serve up a fresh batch of insider tips and tricks to spice up your design game. Today, we're going to tackle some of the biggest myths about UI, UX web design. So, let's get started. Myth number 1, design is just aesthetics. Many people think that the goal of web design is simply to make things look pretty, but that's only part of the story. As Luke Wroblewski, the renowned web designer and author of the influential book Mobile First puts it, good design, when it's done well, becomes invisible. In other words, the best design is the one that goes unnoticed because it seamlessly blends into the user's experience. Myth number 2, design is subjective. Well, everyone has their own preferences. Good design is based on principles that are grounded in research and experience. As designer Paul Rand once famously said, design is the method of putting form and content together. So while design in general may have some subjective elements, it's ultimately about solving problems and creating effective solutions. Don Norman, the director of the design lab at the University of California in San Diego, brilliantly said, beauty and brains, pleasure and usability, they should go hand in hand. Myth number 3, design has to be original. In reality, focusing on functional, user-friendly interfaces is more important than striving for total uniqueness. Some designers try to reinvent the wheel, ignoring established design patterns. However, these conventions exist because they're tested for usability and user familiarity. As Steve Krug says in his book, Don't Make Me Think, conventions are your friends. Picasso also once said, good artists copy and great artists steal. This idea also applies to the world of web design. Rather than simply imitating the work of others, truly great designers take inspiration from a wide range of sources and transform it into something uniquely their own, creating memorable and effective user experiences. So, the great design solution you seek? It's likely already out there. Myth number 4, bonus myth. Freelancers and agencies deliver equal quality. Alright, we know we told you about 3 myths, but we just couldn't resist throwing in this bonus myth. While freelancers can be great for very small projects and cost-effective solutions, they often lack the resources, qualities, and structured processes that agencies bring to the table. On the other hand, design agencies like us are a team of experts providing structured project management processes and better quality control, ensuring a much better outcome. Because here at UI Rocket, we're passionate about collaborating with clients who share our commitment to excellence and top-notch quality in web design. In summary, debunking these common web design myths can help you make better decisions and create more effective, user-friendly designs. Remember, design is about more than just aesthetics. It's about solving problems and understanding your users' needs. So don't be afraid to adapt others' strategies to fit your unique context. That's a wrap for today's episode of Web Design in 3 minutes. We hope you enjoyed debunking these myths with us. Make sure to join us next month for another exciting topic in the world of UI, UX web design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content with friends, colleagues, or anyone interested in the world of web design. Until next time, keep creating.